This adapter effortlessly transforms your vehicle's factory-installed wired CarPlay into a fully wireless experience, all while maintaining the full suite of features and original controls you're accustomed to. Getting started is incredibly simple with a quick plug-and-play setup, and the device conveniently reconnects to your iPhone automatically each time you enter the car. Leveraging both 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi and modern Bluetooth technology, the adapter provides a remarkably stable and responsive connection, ensuring smooth audio playback and navigation without lag. Its incredibly compact and lightweight design, weighing only 14 grams, allows it to blend seamlessly into your car's interior without creating clutter or occupying valuable space. Compatibility is extensive, supporting a vast range of over 800 vehicle models from the year 2018 and newer that are equipped with factory-wired CarPlay. The ultimate benefit is the freedom from tangled cables, offering a clean, modern, and much more convenient way to interact with your iPhone's features while on the road.